Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a simple 4x4 box in Design Space app. So let's go ahead, we'll create a new project. The first thing that you're going to do is get a square, put it on your screen, go to Edit, lock the sizing, and reduce it down to 4x4. I like to go to my Layers panel and change the color to white. I find it much more practical to work on white. It's easier to see your score lines that you're adding in. And once the project is finished, you can change the color to whatever you need. So let's go ahead and do this. We know that on a 12 by 12 cutting mat, our maximum cut size is 11.5 by 11.5. So we won't be able to go 4 inches high. So I'm going to duplicate my first square, and I'm going to reduce it to 3.5 inches high. I should have unlocked that. There, 3.5 inches high. I'm going to duplicate that one again and put it on the top. So now we have the base and we have the front and back, we'll call them. Let's duplicate that one again. See, if you just put it on the side, it doesn't fit. So we need to turn it and put it on the side. You're going to need tabs in order to use adhesive to hold this box together. So let's pull it away. Duplicate it again. And let's reduce that top one down to 1 inch in height. Here we go. So now we have a tab for the top. I always find that if your tab is the exact size of your box wall, you don't get a nice clean corner. So I like to take it down by 1/10 of an inch. See, we can see that little gap? Well, you'll move your side tab over so that that gap is on the inside of the box. It's going to make for a nice clean corner. So let's duplicate that one and put it on this side. I'm going to drag these 3 pieces together and weld them. Now we can line it up, and that very tiny little gap will give you a nice clean corner, and it also gives you a marker for where you need to put your score lines. So let's take this one, duplicate it, move it to the other side, flip it over, and attach it on this side. Get everything lined up, select all, and weld. And there you have the base of a box, but you need score lines. We're going to go to Shapes and take a score line. We're going to line this score line up on the inside of that gap. Take that one, duplicate it, and move it to this side. So you're going to take this score line and duplicate it again, turn it, and we're going to line it up on this side of the box, just about, whoops, I moved that, sorry. Here we go. And we're going to pull that right across to the other side. Make sure these are in the right place. Duplicate it again, and we're going to drag that one down to this side and line it up right at the edge of those little cutouts. Now we have our score lines. Select all and attach. And there you go. You have your 4x4 box, 3.5 inches high. So now we're going to make a lid for it. It's the exact same process as making the box. So we're going to go through here. Whoops. We'll take Shapes, take a square. I'm going to go to layers and make it white again. In order for the lid to fit properly over the box, it's best to increase it by 1/10 of an inch. And this box was 4 by 4, so we're going to make it 4.10. And that's going to give us just the extra space to slide it over the box. The rest of the process is the same. So we're going to duplicate this box, go to Edit, unlock it, and I'm going to change it to 1 inch so I have a 1 inch drop on the box lid. We'll make a second one, duplicate it, and put it across on the other side. Duplicate again and turn it. And as we did with the box, we're going to need tabs to hold the sides together. So we're going to duplicate this, reduce it down to about 1 inch, 1 inch. And we also once again want to have that little gap, so we're going to reduce this down to 0.90. We're going to line it up so the gap is on the inside of the lid. Duplicate it again and bring it down to this side. Select all and weld. This will fit on the side perfectly. We are going to duplicate it, bring it over, go to Edit, flip it over, and attach it on this side. Select all, action, and weld. Now we need to add score lines again, of course, so go to Shapes, get a score line, and we'll bring that over here. Let's line it up on the inside of the little gap. Action, duplicate, and put one on this side. Duplicate again, turn it around, and line it up at the top. There we go. And we'll drag it out the full distance. And then duplicate again and bring it down to this side. And there you go. Select all and attach. And there you have it. So there you go. You have a 4 by 4 box with a lid with a 1 inch drop on it. So now I'm going to go back to my layers panel, grab the lid and change it to whatever color I want it to be. Do the same for my box. And we're all set. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I hope you'll try it, make some boxes, and don't forget to show us what a great job you do. Thank you for watching.